Dear students, today I am going to explain applications of phenomenon of bits, class 11, wave motion. Last day we have discussed about beat. Now its application. Beat can be used to determine the unknown frequency. Beats can be used to determine the unknown frequency. Again, beat can be used to detect the harmful gas present in the mines, and also beat can be used in tuning the musical instrument. What we have got? Beat can be used to find the unknown frequency. Beat can be used to detect the harmful gas present in the mines. Beat can be used for tuning the musical instrument. Okay, now we are going to discuss about how the unknown frequency of a tuning fork can be found by using beats. To find the unknown frequency of a tuning fork. Unknown frequency of a tuning fork. We have taken two tuning forks, A and B. This is known frequency, this is unknown frequency. So to find frequency, there are two methods. One is loading, another is filing. Loading means to add a little amount of wax in the prongs of the tuning fork, and due to loading the frequency will decrease. And filing means after filing its mass decrease, and due to which its frequency will increase. So first we are discussing about the unloading. Say its frequency is nu1 and its frequency is unknown. We have to find this. This is unknown. Suppose beat is B. Between these two, beat is beat equal to B. So what will be nu2? So nu2 will be nu1 plus minus B. What does it mean? That is nu2 equal to nu1 plus B, or nu1 minus B. nu2 equal to nu1 plus B or nu1 minus B. Suppose the frequency of the unknown tuning fork is, suppose nu2 equal to, that means the unknown tuning fork has frequency more than the known frequency. This, now it is loaded, and due to loading its frequency decrease, and since frequency is decreasing, so what will be the difference between these two? This is also decrease, so beat frequency decrease. So on loading prongs of the tuning fork B, its frequency decrease, and due to which beat bit decreases. So if on loading bit frequency decreases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork is nu2 equal to nu1 plus b. Now you see, if nu2 equal to nu1 minus b, now it is loaded, so its frequency again decrease. So what will happen? Bit frequency increase, so bit so if on loading bit frequency increases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork will be nu2 equal to nu1 minus b. So this is on loading, how will you find the frequency of unknown tuning fork? Very important. What I have told, there are two tuning fork, one is frequency nu1, other is nu2. Nu2 is unknown, we have to find this, and bit is b. If bit is b, so b will be nu2 minus nu1 or nu1 minus nu2. So nu2 equal to nu1 plus minus b. That means nu1 plus b or nu1 minus b. First we have considered that the unknown tuning fork has frequency more than the known frequency. That means nu1 plus b. So if you load this, its frequency decrease, and so difference between these two decreases. That means bit decreases. If bit decreases on loading, then frequency of the unknown tuning fork is nu2 equal to nu1 plus b. Now we are taking that nu2 equal to nu1 minus b. That means unknown frequency is less than the known frequency. If it is loaded, its frequency again decrease, so bit will increase. So on loading, if bit increases, the frequency of the unknown tuning fork will be nu2 equal to nu1 minus b. Clear? If you take example, you see. Take example. Say nu1 equal to 420, 410, and nu2 is more than this. Suppose 415. So what is bit? Bit is 5, because difference in their frequency. Now you load this. So its frequency decrease. If decrease, suppose it is 113. So now what is the bit? 413 minus 410, so 3. Then bit equal to 413 minus 410 equal to 3. So bit frequency on loading decrease. So we are telling that if on loading bit frequency decreases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork is more. More means nu2 equal to nu1 plus b. In the another case, you see, if nu1 equal to this and nu2 equal to less than this, say nu2 equal to 405. Now it is loaded. Again you see bit is 5. Now it is loaded, so its frequency again decrease. 403. Frequency decrease. So what is the bit now? 410 minus 403 equal to 7. So now bit is increasing. So if on loading bit frequency decreases, this means the frequency of the unknown tuning fork is less. That means nu1 minus b. Okay. And in case of filing, this will be reversed. If you file, then what will happen? On filing, you see, on filing, say this is new one, bit frequency is B, so we will get these two. And now first we have consider new one, new 2 equal to new 2 equal to new 1 plus B. Now we file this, so its frequency increase. If its frequency increase, then what will be the difference? Difference will also increase. So bit frequency increases, bit increases, therefore new 2 equal to new 1 plus B. So it is said that if on filing bit frequency increases, if on filing bit frequency increases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork is new 2 equal to new 1 plus B. Suppose new 2 is smaller, so new 2 equal to new 1 minus B, new 1 minus B. Now it is filed, so its frequency increase. Increase means this difference, this, so the difference decreases, that means ki bit in decreases. So if on filing bit frequency decreases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork is new 2 equal to new 1 minus B. This is totally reverse of loading. In case of loading, if bit frequency decreases, then this. But in case of filing, if bit frequency increases, then this. And in case of loading, if bit frequency decreases, if bit frequency increases, then we will get new 2 equal to new 1 minus B. But here, if bit frequency decreases, then we will get this. Totally reverse. So you should properly understand this. For example, if you take example, you see, say this is new 1 is 415 and new 2 is more than this, new 2 is 420. Now it is filed, and now bit how much? Bit is difference of this is 5, bit is 5. Now it is filed, so its frequency increase, so new 2 equal to 420, say 422. Now what is the bit? Now B equal to 422 minus 415, so this is 7. Now bit frequency increases. Here bit frequency is increases. So when on filing bit frequency increases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork will be more. More means new 1 plus B. If increase, more. It is easier to remember. Increase, more. If on filing bit frequency increases, then the frequency of the unknown tuning fork will be new 1 plus B. And if you take another example, say it's less, it's more. So this is 410. So what will be the bit? 415 minus 410, that means 5. Now it is 5. So its frequency increase, say new 2 equal to 412. So what is the bit now? 415 minus 412 means 3. So decreases. So if on filing bit frequency decreases, then new 2 equal to new 1 minus B. Decrease होने से less, increase होने से more. So you can easily remember this. In case of filing, if bit decreases means less value, new 1 minus B. If bit increases means new 2 equal to new 1 plus B. Okay. Bye.